Recent reports have revealed a detailed plan for modernizing and strengthening Austria's armed forces, Österreichisches Bundesheer (BH), that emerged during coalition negotiations between the political parties FP and VP. The document outlines several strategic measures aimed at enhancing the country's defense capabilities, improving self-sufficiency in weapon production, and advancing defense infrastructure. One of the key aspects is increasing military spending and acquiring new equipment, including additional tanks to form a second armored battalion alongside the existing Panzer Battalion 14, which currently operates 58 Leopard 2A4 tanks. The ongoing efforts to modernize the armed forces include a range of technological acquisitions, such as reconnaissance and strike drones, enhanced cyber capabilities, and an advanced electronic warfare system. Air defense has also been a central issue, with the FP advocating for Austria's withdrawal from the European Sky Shield Initiative (ESSI), in favor of developing an independent national air defense system, while VP supports continued participation in ESSI. A major focus is on upgrading Austria's fleet of Leopard 2A4 tanks, which were acquired second-hand from the Netherlands in the 1990s. These tanks are undergoing extensive modernization to bring them up to the Leopard 2A7 standard. The upgrades will include more sophisticated onboard electronics, such as new vision systems for the commander, driver, and gunner, as well as improved digital controls and fire control systems. However, the tank's firepower and protection will remain largely unchanged, with the 120mm L44 smoothbore cannon and its existing armor staying in place. The Leopard 2A4, which entered service in the mid-1980s, is one of the most renowned German main battle tanks, known for its sturdy armor and digital fire control system. Its 120mm smoothbore gun and modular armor allow it to perform effectively in a variety of battlefield scenarios, while its powerful diesel engine provides good mobility and range. The modernization to the 2A7 standard includes additional protective features, such as composite armor and an upgraded suspension, while maintaining compatibility with NATO logistical frameworks. A further enhancement option is the Leopard 2A7 Plus, which offers improved protection against mines and explosive devices and better capabilities for urban warfare. This variant is equipped with a thermal imaging system for the commander and gunner, remote-controlled weapon stations, and a system for programmable high-explosive munitions. Additionally, Austria may be considering the acquisition of the latest Leopard 2A8 model, the most advanced in the Leopard series. The Leopard 2A8 integrates the latest active protection systems and additional armor modifications, which enhance the tank's survivability through both passive and active defense against modern threats. This tank also includes new fire control systems and optics, improving its accuracy and battlefield awareness. With a powerful 1,600 horsepower engine and advanced cooling systems, the Leopard 2A8 is an ideal choice for ensuring high combat efficiency and protection in any environment. These ambitious modernization plans and acquisitions will allow Austria to significantly strengthen its military forces, ensuring the country is well prepared for future security challenges.